take a spin in this Honda Type-R, and that's what we're gonna do. I do have a video of this thing just walking around it, but I am gonna take and fill this up, take it to my local watering hole. 2023 Honda Civic Type-R. Man, keys, contact, clutchy. Oh, I can hear that exhaust. All right. Yeah, I got another round of heavy storms coming, so thought I had everything tucked away. Didn't expect it to blow my two-car garage straight up in the air and flip it upside down. I spent that whole weekend basically tucking cars, knowing that was coming. Yeah, I gotta use two hands to drive this thing. Can't keep the camera in my hand. We'll just keep it in fourth here. Beautiful machine. I do got a video walking around this. This is just part of my other collection of cars here. I'll take it to, I know a couple car shows that I took last summer that have imports, so I might take that to those shows, take this to those shows. It does bring fun back to driving. Got cars coming. Bumpy spot in the road, gotta slow her down. Oh, she's got some pep. Beautiful. I think I'm going to take this. I got 4 tickets to the George Thorogood concert. Yes, he's still alive. Not going to miss it. He's only about an hour from here. Okay, I'm going to have to downshift. Yeah, March 31st. Old School Theater. Got a balcony seat. It's going to be me, a couple of friends, and my cousin. Should be a good show. Some cigarettes. Fill it up on premium. I'll zip to my local watering hole so I can grab some lunch. I'm waiting on a big rig right now. Come on, gas is on the right, people. Yep, should be a good show, George Thorogood. I got Sonic Temple tickets. Gonna take my niece to see My Chemical Romance, 1,000 other bands that day. And then we're doing Sunday, which is for us Gen X metalhead guys. The old heads. Megadeth, Godsmack Tool, Black Label Society, Monomars, Suicidal Tendencies, on and on and on. So it was a good show last year. It's going to be a good show this year. AC/DC coming up. Coming up to the local high school here. Yep, absolutely love this machine. I love all my machines. Waiting on the big rig. Come on. A lot of oil and gas around this area, so Buckeye Warriors football, Friday Night Lights. That'll be happening here shortly. Just been in third gear for the last 2 miles. Traffic. Here we go. You forget after you drive a stick when you're growing up, and then you run an automatic for decades, how much you actually have to drive and pay attention. Brings fun back to driving. Anytime, guys. Okay, yeah. Let's get some fuel for this bad boy. Alright, cool. I'll just turn that off right now. Alright, up to my local watering hole. I gotta get something to eat. Grab a couple briskies. Of course. Yeah, baby. Oh, man. This thing will flat get it. Yep, this thing will flat get it. Pink Floyd. Don't listen to Pink Floyd, you experience Pink Floyd. I saw David Gilmour Division Bell tour. Arizona Sun Devil Stadium. Late 90s, I guess. No Roger Waters, still great. Full show. And no, we were not sober in any way. Alright, let's get this thing back around now. Check. We'll just turn this off right now and go get some snacks. All right, leaving the local watering hole. School's letting out, so a lot of parents. Yeah, mule, easy. I'm gonna go hit the shop. Gotta lock it up. Drive this thing home and tuck it back in the building. Third gear. Fourth gear. Yeah, I got all kinds of school traffic going, bobbing and weaving. Yeah, they just paved this road. It actually wasn't paved. They just put a well pattern over here on the neighbor's property. And they paved this road. It's been pretty sweet, besides the gravel. Or the pebbles, anyway. Whoa. All right, getting to the shop here. Let me go ahead and close this mother up. Sweet machine. I was there when he bought it, my brother, and turned out to be a little bit more expensive than he planned. Dude, I'll take that thing. When I was sitting with him, I was like, dude, if you don't buy this thing, I'm going to. So it turns out I got it anyway. I got a smoking deal on it. I ain't gonna bring it up. Oh, man. Truck keys, yes. That'll get me to the shop. Yeah, I can feel the wind picking up. I'm not sure if those thunderstorms are going to be as bad as the ones we got the other day that wrecked my 2005 Dodge Magnum, but I think we're all good in here. Got to button this up, turn this down, leave it on for the boys here. All right, let's lock this mother up. Let's just get back to my place. Call it good. See what the storm's going to look like. We'll see. Ooh. All right, let's get in this bad motor scooter. Oh, man. All right, let's do this. Oh, let me get the seatbelt on. All right, go time. Now I can go through the menu and change this out to kind of a Knight Rider kit option, a couple other different displays. Haven't figured all that out yet. My brother knows how to do that. All right, here we go. God, was like driving a stick. I love it. Who does that anymore anyway? I guess you got to special order them anyway. Except for this Type-R. When those turbos pull up, she just wants to go. All right, looking good, left and right. Turning left. I don't want to be that guy filming everything. I'm in my 50s. Who does that anymore, right? All these people coming from school. Picking up kids, which I do not have. Zipping by here. Just slow down there, Cadillac. They wouldn't know what they're looking at anyway. But nobody notices nothing. Just keep your head in your phone. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. School zone, here we go. This thing is just so fun. All right. Yeah, I thought the dude behind me, he's got a shop right up here. Pretty much knows what he's doing. He's got a couple sporty machines for sure. Fourth gear, it's got 6 gears. Been in this thing with my brother at 120, it didn't even hit 6th gear yet. Then we got pulled over after the Pantera concert. Dude just flying through Cleveland at 1 o'clock in the morning. But he's got that Marine Corps setup on there. They kind of just let him go. We just kept going. Couple spots up here I gotta go slow. There's been a slip through here. They repair it all the time. Gear overdrive. Well, it's not overdrive. 6 gears overdrive. Hopefully the storms ain't too bad. I'm tired of cleaning up messes. Tired of cleaning up messes. But it seems not like I'm doing that anyway. Everybody else's messes. No one does anything right anyway. No one's focused enough or has the skills to do shit. We just chew up kids we put to work. They just can't take it. They just can't take it. All right, here we go. All right, that's where my garage used to be, right up there. Oh. All right, there we go. Put that mother in park. Man, that thing is so fun. Love this car. All right, here we go. That one's empty. Truck keys. YouTube channel is for fun, but sometimes it just gets you all wound up. I just squeeze it in between all the stuff I'm doing, which is plenty. Nightmare fuel out there, guys. Luck favors are prepared. Lay by in stores, all I can say. If you don't know what's going on, of course you wouldn't. They lied about everything. They lie about everything. I don't care if it's the school you're going to. It doesn't matter. The McPfizer group doesn't care. They get richer as you get sicker. Yep, the wind's picking up. I parked the tractor over top of this metal we had on my garage. Cousin and I skinned that thing. Put the tractor on it. Here's the 2 old garage doors. And we broke it down in pieces. That's where the garage used to sit, right there. Smashed up my Magna. Wife's car. That's enough to give you a rash. I just saw my wife over here somewhere. Babe. Oh no, she's picking up branches. Let me just go get the Polaris. Best wheelbarrow ever. Beautiful 64 Chevy Corvair convertible. Look at her. One of my project cars. Never been sat in the back seat. The American Volkswagen, right? All right, here we go. Going down the window here. All right. Take the boomstick out of my pocket. Polaris 570, worth every penny. Got the snowplow option for the winter. Wow, that brought my morale back. This is from the last storm, just a bunch of branches. My wonderful wife. Now I'll shut it off here. She hates being filmed.